What's the meaning of Chartwell? Chartwell. Chartwell.
Chartwell. Chartwell. Chartwell is a place name that has several meanings and associations. In the UK, Chartwell was the name of Winston Churchill's country home, which is now a museum. It can also be a surname and a company name in various industries. Additionally, Chartwell can be used to describe a font family designed by Matthew Carter that is known for its legibility in small sizes. Overall, the meaning of Chartwell varies depending on context, but it is most commonly associated with Churchill's estate or Carter's font design.